In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom voice in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, set up a new voice from a clean recording, and test it so you can start generating natural-sounding speech that matches your style. First, head to ElevenLabs.io and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Voice Lab section. It's usually in the top navigation or sidebar, and it's the place where all custom voice work happens. Open Voice Lab, and you'll see an option to add a new voice. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled Add Voice or Create New Voice. Both take you to the same creation flow. Next, you'll choose between voice cloning and instant voice clone. Both rely on your audio sample, but the process and readiness may vary slightly by plan and interface. If you're not sure which to pick, start with the option presented by ElevenLabs as the standard for quick, accurate cloning. You can always come back and try the other if you want to compare results. Now it's time to upload your audio. Aim for a clear sample between 1 and 5 minutes long. The sweet spot is a well-recorded voice in a quiet room, with no background music, no overlapping speakers, and minimal echo. Read naturally and include a variety of sentences, some short, some longer, so the model captures your pacing, tone, and range. Common file types like WAV or MP3 work well. Keep your mouth a bit off-axis from the microphone to reduce plosives, and try to keep volume consistent throughout. If you hear hums, fans, or street noise in your recording, consider re-recording for the best results. After the upload, give your custom voice a clear, memorable name. Pick something that tells you at a glance what it is, perhaps the style or use case, so it's easy to find later as your library grows. When you're ready, click Generate or Create Voice. The system will process your sample. This can take a moment depending on the length and quality of your audio. Once it finishes, you'll see your new voice listed in Voice Lab. Finally, test your voice in text-to-speech. Select your custom voice, type a few lines that reflect how you plan to use it, and play the preview. Listen for clarity, pacing, and character. If something feels off, consider trying a cleaner or slightly longer sample and generating again until you're happy with the result. That's it. You've created a custom voice in ElevenLabs and tested it end-to-end.